Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today's video is sponsored by Forever 21. Before I jump into the fashion haul, I wanted to jump into some home decor really quickly. I grabbed a couple of things and some things came in, and my friend also picked up something for me at the store. You guys are going to see some new things in the house. Not to worry, videos will be coming out, so definitely subscribe. So these guys are new. My friend called me and she's like, I'm at Home Goods and you won't believe. Look, they are so big, and this one was only $19.99 and the rest of them were like 10 or something, 15. So I was like, yeah, get it, because my office right now doesn't have anything. I'm not gonna move the camera back because I don't want you guys to see my office. You're gonna have to go through and watch all the videos, but I just inserted this real-time video so I could do this haul. But you guys are so pretty. What I want to do is try to even find some black ones, but I'm gonna go to this place to go and get it. They're so pretty, y'all. Alright, so you guys, I just put on the first dress. Ignore my hair, y'all. I'm literally about to go wash it in like the next 10 minutes. But I like this. You can do like ruching if you want to, because the side has the ribbon on there. I'm not going to do that because I actually like it like this. But I like this. This is super cute. This isn't bad, y'all. Okay. Okay. I just stepped back. This isn't bad. I actually like it. I thought I didn't want it with the ruching, but the ruching is quite cute. I didn't do this side. I like this. So, if you guys follow me on Instagram, even here sometimes on YouTube, you know that I am all about a good pajama set. And this is a good pajama. I was actually like, is this gonna be good or not? But y'all, this is a cute pajama set. And again, this was under $30. Oh, listen, if you want to elevate your whole night routine, a morning routine, put you on a real cute, like, oh, you guys, this is so cute. I love it. It's so cute. When I saw this one online, the first thing I thought, I was just like, this is gonna make a really, really great summer dress. I would still do like a messy bun with this and just do some really cute heels. It's simple enough. I like it. I like it a lot. When I think about one thing that I have been loving recently is a really nice square neck. Even like this crop top, even though it's a crop top, it's not like, you know, under the boob. It's still kind of modest. So I really like this a whole lot. It even looks good with these sweatpants. So if I wore like some cute little sneakers or something, like, it's still a look. You see that? And just messy bun, cute little bag, you know, still very nice. So another crop top. This one here is the racer back and the racer front, and it has the rib look to it. The colors that I love, you guys, again, is that really pretty blue, teals, the peach, nude, chocolate, brown. Those are my colors. So I really like this. Again, really simple, nothing crazy, but it still reads like really nicely, so I like it. Okay. So I was nervous that this was gonna be like a little risque. Would I wear this out with the kids? Probably not. Would I wear it like going out with like whatever? I would. I so would. Give me a second, y'all. Again, ignore my hair. So like, you see this? I would listen. Like, listen, if Fash calls me up and be like, hey, I would do this. I would do this. And I think this is still really cute. It's not like too much, you know? It still looks pretty stylish and chic. You know, I ain't one to just do the most or nothing, but like, yeah, I would do this. Hey, so this is the bodysuit, you guys. This is the same one that's in the red. I like this. I like this. So this is cute. My rule of thumb is that the top is, the bottom is, it's modest. It's cute. I like it. Would I wear this at PTA? Maybe. So I'm gonna have to steam this dress, but you guys, I love it. Let me just say right now, I'm gonna link this. Please click it and purchase it, okay? Because one of the things that I know is that you guys really love these dresses. If you go to my Instagram, the long mustard color, the white one, the ones that I be, you know, on my channel with, they're offering Forever 21, which is crazy that this collaboration even happened, because you guys know how I feel about Forever 21. I've been shopping here forever, okay? It may not look like nothing in today's video, but when I post it on Instagram, it's gonna be gone, okay? So if you like something, please go and grab it, okay? But this dress here, again, you guys already know how I feel about baby doll dresses, because they're cute and they're flirty. And if you're trying to like exude your feminine wiles, like this is it. This is the next top, which I love. It just screams out girly to me. I feel like there's, I think, 3 ways you can wear this. I say think because I'm like trying to put it in my head. So this is look 1, which is super cute. And I would so wear some jeans with this and like some cute heels. But anyway, 1. Look 2. Okay, we could do look 3. Look 3. Look 4. Okay? I feel like either one would work. I'm not against any of it because y'all know how I feel about the whole shoulder nova, which is what you guys started saying to me with the whole shoulder. I think y'all realize that I really like having my shoulders out. I probably do it on my tattoo side because, you know. But yeah, I like this, y'all. Okay, you guys, hands down, I love this dress. Oh, Jesus. The more I try on, honey, the more my hair look crazy. But anyway, I'm still going to order a medium. I'm still going to order a medium. It's a little bit more snug than I would want it to be. I would still wear this, but this is definitely not one of them things you wear when you plan on really eating and you know I like to eat. But I really do like this dress. It's super cute. All right, so you guys, this is a size small. I like it. I think it's a little too snug, but I do like it. But I feel like I'm going to order a medium. But I do like it overall. But at this point, I feel like you can see all my insides, okay? And it's a little too tight. It's a little too tight, okay? This is a size small. I like it. I think it's super cute. It fits nice. The buttons are looking nice on there. Everything is fine. I just feel like it's a little too tight for your girl, okay? I'm still going to use this for my photo shoot, but I'm going to go ahead and order a size medium. I'm sure it's going to fit a little bit bigger, but then at least I can put on bra. This is like one of those dresses you put on to remind you that you look good, but I don't need to remind myself that I'm good. I'm just joking. It's too tight, y'all. I'm going to just order the size. Baby doll dresses are definitely, for me, I'm 5 feet, y'all. So like to have a mini dress is good. Because most of the time, even like a mini dress is too long on me because I am so short. But I really like this, you guys. Like I would wear this stuff like all day, every single day. Even with the messy bun, a little bit neater than this. But if there was anything that I was going to suggest for you to buy today, it would be this black dress, which I'm probably going to link that first. The white dress and the pajama set. Pajama set, super comfortable. The white dress, super sexy. This black piece right here is super casual and you can dress it up. Again, this is why I invested in my jewelry. Because even with everything being so like small and dainty, just looks really good. I'm going to show you guys something. Hold on. Let me just say this. 100% take your time in trying to figure out your style and what you like, and don't rush it, because once you figure it out, it becomes a lot easier for you to make investments in yourself. Like I know what I like in terms of like handbags, in terms of like my attire, what looks good on me, what I feel sexy in. So even when it comes to me purchasing something as simple as shoes, and now I say simple, but before I used to buy shoes that I would never wear because I was just buying it because it was cute,
or I was buying it because it was available. But now when I'm buying shoes, like I'm for real buying because I'm like, oh no, like this is gonna be something that's gonna be in my closet for a while. I don't think there was anything over 30 bucks. I'm not promoting you to not invest in yourself when it comes to clothes. I just know how quickly I change things up. So y'all seen that drop? Jeez, that was a lot. That was a lot. Gosh. If you're wondering, I'm 5 feet and I wear a size 4. I'm little.
You guys, the next thing is I have an organization video coming. I went to Atlanta and I've gotten all these wonderful clear containers, and so I'm gonna be organizing my makeup and everything into my vanity. I'm gonna take all of, you see, and do all the units in here. I measured it so I know how everything is gonna go. You see, I already have 2 in here, and so all of like my facial things and lotions, they're gonna be like really organized in here. So when I'm ready to go do my face, I can just grab this and take it to the bathroom, put it back when I'm done. Easy peasy. Like, this is the drawer for my hair. I already have some hair stuff in here. And see, like, I already have some stuff in here, but like I don't want it to stay like this like permanently. So like these things like that, they're gonna go in and be fixed properly. I've got my foundations in here, my concealer. I need one more, but like a little small one, so I can do my concealer. And honestly, this is like my everyday makeup in here. So this is my accent chair, right? You guys know this, okay? But then these are the pillows that I got made to go on my bed. So these are 26 by 26. I'm going to do a whole video on the pillow just because I also did an insert 28 by 28. And then for the 22 by 22, I ordered 24 by 24 and also 26 by 26. Because I wanted to see which one I liked a little bit better. I do like the overstuffed look, and because of the kids, I think for the loft, I would like to do that. So I did order both sizes. So when I do the video, you guys will get to see and you can figure out what you want. Although I will not be selling inserts, I will be attaching a link where you can go and get your inserts. It's a nice kind of teal color. I'm gonna be honest, working with Miss Beth and seeing like all the colors that she selected and I had to put it together, kind of like, oh my gosh, like I really like this. So I started trying to implement some more colors into my home, but it ain't gonna be like nothing too crazy. But I do love this a whole lot. It kind of monochromatic, the rest of the colors in the house, so I really love it. So I'm really excited. Why? Because I have custom drapery. Y'all, oh my gosh, first of all, like, oh, it's so pretty, y'all. So I selected this fabric to go for my drapes. There's a total of 4 panels. So the panels are gonna go left and right of the window. And then here's the wall art. I also selected fabric to get me some pillows. Exciting news. This is actually one of the pillows that I'm going to be offering. I'm not going to offer this one because this is just personal to my house. And I literally took me like 4 months of back and forth to Atlanta doing a bunch of swatches. And then finally I was like, this matches really pretty and complements, you know, the drapery and the floor, if you can kind of see all of that. So I'm not going to offer this one. But this one is definitely going to be a part of the arsenal of colors. It's so pretty. It's like a chocolate gold brown. Very nice. There's a total of 4. So there's 2 and 2. And then of course the drapery, the wall art. My sectional, you guys, is actually at the freight yard in North Carolina. It's just been so freaking long because not only does it have to go to the freight, then it has to get checked, inspected, repackaged, go back on a freight, then have to come to Georgia. Georgia has to inspect it, unpack it, put it back, and then do it. So the whole process takes like a month, and I'm just kind of over the whole thing. But I'm not over it because I still have to order some more furniture, and I would like to go the high-end route. So that's just the process that I have to wait for at this point. But I'm so ready to see something in this freaking house. I'm just like, I would like to sit on something other than the floor in my bed. But I'm loving this, and hopefully the guy can come back today. He came earlier, and I hate that I didn't hear him, but I'm so happy with all of this. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so pretty. So what I did with this one is I did the 2-pinch pleat. I think I have one that's gonna have 3, but I thought the 2 was gonna be simple enough, contemporary enough, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The fabric is beautiful. There's a little bit of black, a little bit of grays, creams. It's beautiful, and I even like the rod. But like, if you can kind of see it over there on the window, just hanging over there, hanging right over. Ooh, it's so pretty. I like it. It's 97 inches long. Oh, it's such a situation. A grown woman situation.